Best regard. My name is Holman Rivera. I am 35 years old, environmental engineering student. I live in San Jose del Guaviare. The place of the photograph is Gate of Orion. Is one belonging to the mountain of the Lindosa, which have 15-meter bases for the 12-meter high rock formation. It is located 9 kilometers from the sea of the San Jose del Guaviare. This natural structure has to the opening of the several meters in diameter, and through the top opening in December, the time you can see Orion's belt. That is its name. I hope one day have the opportunity to visit it. Bye bye.